Hello everybody. Hi, welcome to my bathroom. My name is Splish, and as you can clearly see, I am a drop of water. Some of you might have met me before at Science Live Theater at the Science Museum of Minnesota, where I'm usually with my best friend Splash, but we're social distancing right now. So today I want to talk to you about one of my very favorite ways to use water, which is washing your hands. Now, washing your hands is really important for a couple of different reasons. One, it makes you way less gross. And two, it's really important for getting rid of germs that can make you and lots of other people sick. So today we're going to look at the best way to wash your hands. So the first thing you need to wash your hands is water. Now, if you do not happen to be a drop of water, you can use a sink. So what you're going to do is turn the water on, get your hands wet, and then turn the water back off, because we're going to spend a little time on our hands. Most of it's not going to involve the water. So we want to turn the water off so that we can save or conserve water. And studies have shown there's not a lot of data to show that you get significant amounts of germ transfer from the handle to your hands. So turn that water off, and then we need our guest star, soap. Get some soap on your hands. Now, if you're in a place where you don't have soap and water, you can use hand sanitizer, but soap actually works a whole lot better at killing those germs. It has to do with the lipid shell and the molecular structure of the soap. Take my word for it. It's really great. So get your hands lathered up with that soap, and then we are going to spend 20 seconds scrubbing. 20 seconds! What? That's forever. I'll be dead at the end of 20 seconds. You won't. You'll be fine. 20 seconds is only about a third of a minute, and we have 1,440 minutes in every day. So using just a third of them will still leave you with plenty of things, plenty of time for things like distance learning and watching Frozen 2 for the 180,000th time. How are you doing, parents? Are you okay? All right. Okay. So what can you do in those 20 seconds? Well, you want to make sure you get all the parts of your hands clean. So you want to get your palms, you want to get your fingers. Those are the parts we usually think of, right? You want to get in between your fingers too. You also want to get the backs of your hands clean. You want to make sure you get your thumbs. Hey, right, get those thumbs clean. Get the tips of your fingers. Get down underneath your fingernails. That is a place that germs really like to hang out. And if you're not sure you spent 20 seconds, a thing you can do is sing a song that you know lasts 20 seconds, like singing Happy Birthday twice, or the chorus of Jolene, or on top of spaghetti right up to rolled right out the door. For me, that's 20 seconds. Then, when you've spent 20 seconds, you're going to turn the water back on and rinse that soap back off. That's another reason soap is so great, is that you can carry all of those microbes down, away, out of the drain with the water. What? The water is dark. I'm going down the drain. Oh my gosh, it's terrible and dark and scary down here. Just kidding. I'm just right here. And then you want to dry your hands. You can use a towel. You can use a paper towel. You can use a hand dryer. You can just do jazz hands for a really long time to get your hands clean. And once your hands are dry, you're all set. And you know that you have done your part to keep you and everybody around you safe. So thanks so much for joining me. When things get back to normal, please do come visit me again at Science Live Theater at the Science Museum of Minnesota. Otherwise, thanks so much and stay healthy.